Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with today's video. Well, first you need to make a ponytail and repeat the process that is being shown in this video. After that, you will simply obtain this cute and beautiful hairstyle of this braid, and a cute bun like this will be made very easily. Now after taking the two ends of your hairs, you can simply start making this hairstyle into this manner. Now divide the remaining hairs and complete the process. After that, you can simply make a crisscross bun that is being shown in this video. As you can see, you are done with this bun. Now you first need to tie your hairs into this part with the help of a rubber band. Take another rubber band and insert them inside. After inserting these hair strips, you can obtain this pattern. After obtaining this pattern, now the remaining hairs needed to be braided like this. For your next hairstyle, you have to first make this with the help of a rubber band and start tucking them inside. After doing so, you can simply see that how wonderfully we have obtained this. And then you can simply get this hairstyle done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.